Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to fix the Beats Solo 4 Keep Turning Off. So let's get started. Fix number one, reset the headphone, hold down the volume button and the power button for some 10 seconds. When the light on the right ear cup blinks red and white, release the buttons. Fix number two is check the battery, ensure your Beats Solo 4 headphones are fully charged. You can check the battery level by looking at the LED indicator light on the headphones, checking the battery level on the connected device. If the battery is low, charge the headphones fully using the included lightning cable and the power adapter. Once charged, try reconnecting the headphones to your device. The fix number three is unpair and repair your headphones on your connected device. Go to the Bluetooth settings, find the Beats Solo 4 headphones in the list of the paired devices. Tap on the forget or unpair options to disconnect the headphones. Turn off your Beats Solo 4 headphones. Turn the headphones back on and put them in the pairing mode. Press and hold the power button until the LED flashes on your device. Go to the Bluetooth settings and select your Beats Solo 4 headphones to pair them again. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you all. Thank you. Bye bye.